Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can change Korean Webtoon to English. For that, just open any browser on your laptop or a PC and just search for Korean Webtoon. When you search this, just open this first website. Here you can see. When you open this website, you will see this website is in Korean language. Here you can see, and you can also see here the language is in Korean. Now in order to translate it, just right click on screen, and here you can see the option called translate to Latin. Just simply click on this one, and now here you can change it to English. Just click on English, and now here you can see who are you. Now again go to Latin, and here you can see the language is changed. Again another method is just click on these three dots and click on this translate option, and now again click on this English. If it's not working, then click on these three dots, and here you can see it will select as never translate. So go to this always translate to English, and whenever now you open this website, it will always translate it into English language.